Hey everyone, wanted to hop on and just say happy Friday the 13th. No, that's not why. It has been a couple of days since we have last chatted, and we have so much great things going on, so many unique ideas and items that we're sharing with all of you. And there was one that I wanted to highlight today in particular, and that is, if you haven't seen it yet, we have debuted on QVC.com online currently our first ever Saute pan. Good morning, Patricia. How are you? I am hopping right into it because I have to tell you, so many of you already picked this up and you've been loving it. You've been posting about it. So Lisa and I and the team thought it would be, hi Tara, loving your hair? Well, thanks. Thanks, Noelle. Hey, Mona. Hi, Zach. Hi, everybody. Yes, happy Friday. Happy Friday the 13th. Hey, Gen Bots. So I wanted to just highlight this a little bit. Super excited about it. Have you seen it yet? I'm gonna just take the lid off so we can talk about this baby for a second. So here's what I absolutely love about this. Aluminum, non-stick, 2 different coatings of non-stick on the inside. Beautiful aluminum, nice oversized handle here, which makes it super easy. Again, when you're cooking, when you're flipping, when you're doing whatever you need to do. So much time was spent on this piece, and I have to tell you, I think we nailed it. So again, I love the fact that you have the variation in color. Let's talk there. Let's talk about that bottom. Encapsulated, beautiful bottom, and did you notice that it's in a flower shape? I did that because when I'm hanging my cookware, one of my biggest things is I hate the way the bottoms look. They're inevitably really scratched, they're just blah, and so when I'm hanging things, now you have that decoration, but it didn't interfere with any of the hard work that this pan will do. Actually, it makes it even better. Completely encapsulated, as I mentioned, that variation or ombre in the color and the detail. Super lightweight, which I love. Look at this, I'm holding it with one hand, yet this is that workhorse piece in your kitchen. And then of course it comes with that beautiful tempered glass lid, which I love. Look at how beautiful this is. All the lids are the same. I'm gonna show you the color in just a moment. Beautiful finial on the top in that gorgeous stainless color. So no matter which color you're picking up, that lid is going to be the same and coordinate back. Will you look at how absolutely beautiful this is from every which direction you're looking at? But now I know you want to see the colors, right? I bet you do. All right, I'm gonna walk you on over here. That we were just showing you the blue, and I'm gonna give it a quick turn around so that I can really show you. Ooh, Christmas tree. There is that gorgeous blue. There is your detail on the lid right there, whether you're looking at the old world, the floral lace, all combined together. Oh, hello, Terry. Hello. Ombre color, love the flower bottom. Aw, Merry Christmas to you as well. Then of course we have your purple. Notice the variation there. I'm just gonna grab it so you guys can really see. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So if you're a purple kind of person, how beautiful. If you're thinking about gifting this and you know someone who loves it, then I have to say this we actually call our black. And this actually starts at the bottom in black and then goes all the way up to a beautiful gray. So if you've loved our old world gray, our floral lace gray, that's gonna be perfect. Lisa is showing us her hands. Look at how beautiful those will coordinate back with each other. We partnered with one of the best and biggest cookware companies in the world, actually, to produce this. So when you think about the quality, when you think about Lisa just holding it right there, lightweight, not even struggling, look at that beautiful green non-stick coat. Thank you, Lise. Beautiful bottom there in that flower shape, all super vivid colors, variation in tone. So I love to call that the ombre, and then double rivet right there on the handle. So super easy, everything you'd expect. And then take a peek down here. This red is gorgeous. Absolutely love how the bottom actually starts out almost like a grayish black and then pops right there into the center of the color. Now remember, I'm gonna grab one of the lids because the lid is the same. Lise, could you help me drop that on there? Thank you. The lid is the same, and I did it in that beautiful stainless-like look so that it matches the trim of the pot. It matches the beautiful handle. And then, of course, that gorgeous finial there on the top. Look at how beautiful that is. This is available on QVC.com. It's on 6 pay currently, which is amazing. So for 6 easy payments, you can get this. It's available right now. So it hasn't even had an on-air presentation yet, but so many of you have already picked it up that I just wanted to highlight the 5 great colors that we did. You have, of course, that little vent hole there. Oven safe up to 350 degrees. So just wanted to give you that little shout out too. And again, it's all about the color. It's all about the ease of use. I love that you have that durable aluminum body construction. You have that beautiful stainless steel handle, as we mentioned. And this is your 11-inch saute pan. That's what's so great about it. Still putting it in the oven up to 350 degrees. And for me, the non-stick, I love that because you have that easy release. You have that easy cleanup. Everything's ergonomically designed. That handle is amazing. It's secure with a comfort grip. And then of course you have that gradient color detail inside and outside. The dual pattern there on the lid. Absolutely stunning. I have been using this for probably, I don't know, about 2 months now. And I have to tell you, I love it. You're gonna wanna hand wash it like you do with most of your high-end cookware. There's the blue, reminding you again, how beautiful is that? Just gonna give that a quick little twist so that you can see there. There's that gorgeous cobalt blue, and then it goes back up to the top there. So as we mentioned, it's under $40, 11-inch covered saute pan, in 5 of these great colors that we're showing you here, with everything you'd come to expect from a workhorse piece in your kitchen that now goes on your flame, it goes in your oven, it goes in your convection oven, all the different things you're gonna wanna use with it. Can you tell that I am so stinking excited about this? And if you're wondering, is that stoneware in the corner? Does that actually match? Stay tuned for something really exciting in January. So if you're picking up, of course, our gorgeous aluminum pan here, 11-inch saute covered, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for January, where we're gonna roll out an entire collection of our ombre. How do you like me telling you I wasn't gonna tell you, and then of course I told you? I can't not tell you, are you kidding? Okay, everyone, so I wasn't really watching the comments, sorry, because I'm super duper excited about this under $40 11-inch covered saute pan, available on QVC.com on 6 payments right now, which I love, love, love. Hetty says I can use all pots and pans. I feel the exact same way. You're gonna make sure you're not using metal utensils in there because you have that 2-coated non-stick. So again, you're gonna definitely wanna use it as if you would your very high-end cookware. You're gonna wanna baby it a little bit. And then of course you're going to wanna hand wash it. The purple is amazing. Have not seen a skillet in that purple color. I'm getting it, Teresa, because I have to tell you, purple is my color as an Aquarian. February 1st is my birthday. So I'm always a partial, Lisa likes that shout out. I'm always partial to purple. So beautiful, beautiful. Noelle said she needs it in a 7-piece set. So Noelle, you know how we roll. So we want to debut a piece. We want to make sure you get it home, you love it. We want your feedback. And then once we start to get your feedback, we start to incorporate all of that into rolling out in sets and different things like that. So, yes, use spurtles. Hetty, I actually said at one point that I thought my husband needed an intervention because we have so many spurtles. I told Lucinda when we were at QVC one day, like, stop. Because we have wood, we have the nylon. If there's a spurtle, we have it. They're fabulous. Hey, Rosalia. Hi, Wendy. Hi, everybody. We were just talking cookware. We were just talking the debut. We were just talking it's already available on QVC.com, and so many of you have already bought it and loved it. If you watch our Facebook page, we actually highlighted Rosalia, who made a dinner in here and shared those pictures. So you're definitely going to want to check that out because that was amazing. And then all of our 5 great colors, everything available now. Ordered mine, it's beautiful. Oh, so excited for this item, hoping for a set. Just bought mine in purple. I love you guys. See, this is the power and the fun of our community. Just giving you a quick view so that you can check it out since it hasn't been on air. I know sometimes it's hard just to buy a product sight unseen. So just wanted to share that with all of you. Lise, did I forget anything?
Want to do something fun?
Of course. No. She said, do I want to do something fun? Nah.
All right, how about this?
What?
If everybody responds in a heart
in
their favorite color.
Oh, respond in a heart with your favorite color. So we have blue, red, black, green, and gray. Wait, what? Hello. See? This is what happens. Red, green, purple, black, which is also gray, and blue. So respond with a heart, and then what?
We're going to put all those names in a hat.
We're going to put all those names in a hat. We're going to put all those names in an 11-inch saute pan.
We are.
And then
we're going to pull out 3 winners, and they're going to win the color of their choice.
We're going to pull out 3 winners, and you're going to win the color of your choice, meaning the one you put in the heart. So
Jen Fox just gave like 9
well,
hearts.
this is awesome. Amanda's got her purple heart. Becky has her red. Oh, she put a red heart but wrote purple. Sneaky, Becky. Very sneaky. If you can think to use the color of the heart, that would be even more helpful. But of course, a name always works. Yes, Jen Bott's on the board and Noelle on the board with about 8,000 purple hearts.
Yeah.
So, okay, gang, love you guys to pieces. Hope you're having a great Friday. Hope you're excited for a great weekend. We have a fun dinner party with friends Saturday evening. We're going to see our son and do some things Saturday morning and afternoon, and then Sunday we're getting together with the Lasorts, which I'm super excited about. So my mom's coming up, and there's a place by us called Longwood Gardens, and they have spectacular lights, and you walk through this winter wonderland. And for those of you who live around us in Pennsylvania, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, but Lisa got us tickets. So Ed and I and my mommy are gonna head on over and do that. So looking forward to that and just relaxing a little bit. Oh, and of course, will I be in the kitchen with David? I absolutely will. Covered pie, right?
Yeah,
I think we have the covered pie dish.
Charlie's. And guess what?
What?
It's available in Holiday and Poinsettia.
It's available in Holiday and Poinsettia, our covered pie dish. So you're gonna wanna check that out in the kitchen with David on Sunday. Okay, love you guys, good to see you. And check out that saute pan, because I have to tell you, I think we outdid ourselves. And I always love to joke with QVC's amazing return policy. I love to get it home, eat on us, try it out, check it out, put it through all the paces. And if it doesn't do exactly what we say it does, then don't keep it. But I think you're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, happy Friday, happy weekend. Bye, everybody.